screams hello. These things take time, but this time I know that the beauty of a dream is you don't let it go. You don't ever let it go. You don't ever let it go. We won't ever let it go. I believe in the promises I made you. And I mean to keep them over and over and over again. There's a cannon for the first 20 years. There's a cannon for the next. It's a marvel to me. I never thought I'd sink in this deep. Oh, darling, I'm sinking like a frog on a leaf.
Welcome to more electric uke lessons. We're still at mixed jam level, so I'm only showing the clip and isolated track. If you're a beginner and would prefer I go slower, you might start with the earlier videos. For gear, I'm using a Clearwater tenor uke, also called a Vorsen, with a compressor, octave pedal, pitch shifter, and zoom. Next up is the patch and tab, and you can screen cap them if it helps. I think I'll stop, or at least pause for now, at episode 200. That seems like a nice, even, arbitrary number. I hope you're enjoying the videos. I don't make a penny from them, but it's good to give back something, and I admit that I'm, hopefully, also improving via playing these songs. So until I return, tune your uke and let's play.